Hello students, good morning to all. Today we are going to start the first chapter of English grammar and the title of our chapter is sentences. Yes, today we are going to learn about sentences. In this chapter we will learn about the type of sentences. How many type of sentences are there? So first of all let us understand what is sentence. क्या होता है sentence? A sentence is a group of words that convey a complete sense. A sentence is made of two parts, the subject and the predicate. A sentence is a group of words. See, when we join the letters, it makes a word, and when we join the words, it makes a sentence. A sentence is a group of words. Sentence क्या होता है? It is a group of words. Words का group होता है that convey a complete sense, which is giving us a complete message. A sentence is made of two parts and a sentence consists of two parts. एक sentence में two parts होते हैं. One is subject to whom we are talking about, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, and the rest of the sentence is predicate. और बाकी का जो sentence होता है वो क्या होता है? Predicate. See, we have example here. She told me the secret. उसने मुझे secret बताया. So what is subject here? She is subject. Told me the secret is predicate. Rest of the sentence is predicate. She is subject because here we are talking about she. उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So she is our subject here. Told me the secret is predicate. The second part of the sentence. Let us go for a walk. Let us go for a walk. So this is a group of words that is making a complete sense. It is called sentence. Now, kind of sentences. How many kind of sentences are there? There are three kind of sentences. First, simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. Now, what is simple sentence? Simple sentence, sentences with just one subject and one predicate are called simple sentence. Contain subject, verb and convey complete thought. Sentence, let us read again. Sentence with just one subject and one predicate. Those sentences in which only one subject and one predicate is there, that is called simple sentence. They contain subject. Simple sentences में क्या होता है? One subject, one verb and convey a complete thought, which is conveying us a complete message. जिस sentence में सिंगल सब्जेक्ट होता है, सिंगल वर्ब होती है और वो हमें एक कंप्लीट मैसेज, कंप्लीट थॉट कन्वे करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सिंपल सेंटेंस. See the example. Fish are swimming in the pond. So here fish is our subject. Are swimming in the pond. Swimming is our verb here. Okay, so this is a simple sentence. It is conveying us a complete thought. Karan is playing outside. One subject, one verb, giving us a complete message. So this is simple sentence. Now moving on to compound sentence. What is compound sentence? Sentences with two or main clauses are called compound sentences. Those sentences which have टू और मेन क्लॉजेज, जिन सेंटेंसेस में दो मेन क्लॉजेज होते हैं, आर कोल्ड कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस. उनको कंपाउंड सेंटेंस कहते हैं. इन कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस में टू क्लॉजेज आर जॉइंड बाय कंजक्शन एंड इन कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस वी जॉइन टू सेंटेंसेस विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंजक्शंस. सी, इन सिंपल सेंटेंस वी हैव जस्ट वन main clause, but in compound sentence we have two independent clauses which make their meaning their self, right? And we join the sentences with the help of conjunctions, and the conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. For example, I enjoy playing chess. I enjoy playing chess and is conjunction here. My sister plays with me. So if I make them separate, I enjoy playing chess, it's making a sense itself, and my sister plays with me. They both the sentences are not depend on each other, but they both are independent clauses, and when we join both the sentences we use conjunction, and so this is called compound sentences. In short, when two independent clauses are joined with the help of conjunction, that is become compound sentence. See the next example. They waited for the train. देव ने ट्रेन के लिए वेट किया, but the train was late. See, if I individually say only use the sentence up to here, they waited for the train, it is making a sense, right? And if I individually use this sentence, the train was late, train late thi, it is also making sense. But we have joined both the sentences with the help of conjunction, but so it become compound sentence. So what is compound sentence? क्या होता है compound sentence? When we join two main clauses with the help of conjunction, that is become compound sentence. Now moving on to complex sentence. A sentence with a main clause and one or more subordinated or dependent clause attached to is called a complex sentence. Dependent clauses are incomplete sentences. Dependent clauses begins with a subordinate conjunction like because, after, as, although, even, though, until, where, so on. Many more are there. So in complex sentences we use these conjunctions. You can see here. What is the difference between compound sentence and complex sentence? In compound sentence we have two main clauses. Main clauses means independent clauses are there, but in complex sentences one main clause is there and the other is dependent clause. It means the dependent clause is dependent on main clause. It does not have any meaning individually. कि जो डिपेंडेंट क्लोज होता है उसका अपने आप में कोई मीनिंग नहीं होता, वो मेन क्लोज के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट होता है. लेट अस सी एग्जांपल. बिफोर आई वॉक अप, I told you in the definition of complex sentence that the dependent clauses are start with the conjunction. So before is conjunction here. Before I woke up, grandfather had made the breakfast. Before I woke up, grandfather had made the breakfast. So here this is dependent clause and this is main clause because it is making a meaning itself. Grandfather had made the breakfast. Grandfather ने breakfast बनाया. Before I woke up, मेरे उठने से पहले. So it is dependent on this sentence. So this is our main clause. And this is our dependent. Now I wore the sweater because my grandmother had knitted it for me. I wore the sweater because my grandmother had knitted it for me. So here which one is the main clause and which one is the dependent clause? Can you tell? I wore the sweater is main clause and because my grandmother had knitted it for me is the dependent clause. Yes, I hope you have understood the topic. Now I am sending you a worksheet. Solve it. Okay, thank you.